So, today we are going to learn about procurement of human resource. So, in this, we will understand the definition of HRP, which means human resource planning, and then we will come into the procurement of human resource. So, firstly, we have to understand the meaning of HRP, human resource planning. It is the process by which management determines how an organization should move from its current manpower position to its desired manpower position, through which HRP, the management, strives to have the right number and the right kind of people at the right places at the right time, doing things which result in both the organization and the individual receiving maximum long range benefits. So here I have reading the definition of HRP. Now I will explain the definition of HRP. So, what does HRP means? HRP is the human resource planning. What is human resource? Human resource are the resources which is occupied by the human is called human resource, which is, for examples, soil, water, air. So what does human resource planning? To plan the human resource is the human resource planning process. Of this it must be have. So the first question in our mind strike is that what is human resource planning, which we have already explained, which I have already explained to you. So second is describe its characters, objectives and limitations of HRP. So in this, firstly we have deeply understand the definition of. As you can see in the video, in the picture, I have shared a photo of a question and answer. So here is the question which I have already repeated, and the answer which is I will going to explain you. So HRM, what is this HRM means? HRM, I have made the previous video of HRM, so you can go and watch that, but firstly you have to complete this. So HRM is the resource management of human. So in this it is written that HRM, human resource management, कहाँ से ब्रिंग करता है मैन पावर प्लानिंग को. ह्यूमन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो होती है वो मूव करती है करेंट मैन पावर से पोजीशन से डिज़ायर्ड मैन पावर पोजीशन से तक, उसे हम बोलते हैं HRP. जो प्लानिंग होती है जो कि करेंट मैन पावर से लेके डिज़ायर मैन पावर तक हमें प्रोसेसिंग जो होती है उसे हम बोलते हैं HRP, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स प्लानिंग. So that is the definition of human resource planning. So here is the another definition is the human resource planning is the process of making sure that there is adequate staffing and that employees are qualified to meet the needs of the company. तो कंपनी की जो नीड को गेन करे, जो कि कंपनी की रिक्वायरमेंट गेन करे, दैट्स कॉल्ड ह्यूमन रिसोर्स प्लानिंग. दिस वाज द simplest definition of human resource planning. I have explained you two definition of human resource planning, so you can, I hope you will understand the meaning of HRP and HRM. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.